Welcome to today's video, where I'll reveal an exciting opportunity to earn $350 daily by watching movies. Turn your passion into profit in 2023. Handpick the movies you love, create your own movie marathon, and enjoy a cinematic experience while making a substantial income. Stay tuned to learn how to monetize your love for films and start earning $350 each day. Pay careful attention to ensure you don't miss any crucial details. Our first website recommendation is filmtagger.com. To visit, just type filmtagger.com into a new browser tab or search for it on Google and click the top result. While the concept of earning money through movie watching might sound unrealistic, FilmTagger makes it more achievable than you imagine. This platform is designed for screenwriters, directors, movie enthusiasts, and students, offering a movie recommendation tool to help discover films worth watching. Now, here's a little-known secret for most movie enthusiasts. It holds the potential to generate a significant income while indulging in your favorite films. When you delve into FilmTagger, you'll encounter movies tagged with information about their genre, theme, setting, and more. By simply clicking on specific buttons, you can explore popular movie themes and easily find films that align with your preferences. FilmTagger stands as the ultimate tool for discovering movies, catering to both passionate fans in search of the best films and film students aiming to streamline their studies. Just input a movie's name in the search bar, and the website will present you with corresponding results. Moreover, by clicking on the movie description and choosing to show or hide keywords, you can unveil genre matches and other keywords that enhance your understanding of the film. Now, let's shift our focus to our second website, NetFlix. To grasp the significance of tags, let's delve into why they hold importance. Visit jobs.netflix.com to explore opportunities as a movie tagger. In this role, your task is to watch movies and TV shows on Netflix, assigning relevant tags according to specific criteria. Through this, you have the potential to earn up to $350 per day. This involves presenting both subjective information to captivate viewers and objective facts such as the cast. Remember, Netflix's official website is the primary hub for tagger positions, so be thorough in your search to enhance your chances of landing a role. Make sure to bookmark the Netflix jobs page and check it regularly for any available positions. Now, let's explore our third website, Nielsen.com, which presents a fascinating opportunity to earn money by watching movies. Nielsen, a reputable name in media assessments with over 9 years of experience in television ratings, conducts consumer research in more than 100 countries. By joining the Nielsen computer and mobile panel, you can actively engage in their research and acquire valuable insights into consumer behavior. Just install the Nielsen program on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, and seamlessly continue watching your favorite TV shows, movies, or other online content as you normally would. The best part is, there's no need to alter your viewing habits or tolerate unwanted advertisements. The setup is hassle-free, allowing you to select your preferred content. Additionally, participating in the program automatically enrolls you in monthly sweepstakes, offering you a chance to win exciting prizes. To sum up, FilmTagger, Netflix, and Nielsen present enticing opportunities to earn money through the enjoyment of movies. Whether it's exploring new films, working as a movie tagger, participating in consumer research, or watching videos online, these platforms offer diverse avenues for movie enthusiasts to monetize their passion. So why not delve into these websites and begin making money while indulging in the movies you love? This is a technique people worldwide can use to earn $10, $15, $60, hundreds of dollars per day, and even more. And that concludes today's session. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, please show your support with a big thumbs up. Don't miss out on future content. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for updates on our latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.